Hey everybody, this is Brenda here. Come on to show you. I have the nature notebook. All got the paper on it. Haven't done much more with it. I haven't decided how to put it together yet. Still working on that. But I wanted to show you what it looks like with all the papers down. So let's take a look. I'll try to keep it in order while I'm looking. So we got the first, second, and third pages here. I think we did most of this together. So I went ahead and did the rest of the book. Beautiful paper. I just love it. And we have, of course, we have the pockets. Isn't this gorgeous? This paper is absolutely beautiful. So this is how it's all together. I am investigating how to put it together to stay together, but I haven't really, I don't know. I'm trying not to use rings to keep it together, but I may have to. And that's the last page and the back cover. So I absolutely love how it's turning out. I'm just hoping I can do something with putting it together besides using rings, but like I said, we may have to use rings. So what I've begun doing is think about what to put in the book. And you know, I don't even know what I'm going to do on the cover because this cover is so beautiful. I don't want to cover it up anywhere, but it's got nature notebook right here, so it's got that I need. And other than that, I may just leave it plain because it's beautiful. So what we are going to do today is try to figure out what we want to put inside the book. So I am going to set this aside. And what I have been playing with is I have these little craft envelopes in my stash. So I thought these would make some cute little pockets in our book. So what I did with these was get out my Tim Holtz field note stamps, and I've been playing around, and I made some little specimen holders, I guess you would call it. And I made this so it held the flap down. So I'll show you how I made these. These were kind of fun. And my thought was maybe to just put these like where I have the blank pages, maybe stick one like that, and then have the little pocket here for specimens or whatever, and that tucks right in there like that. So that's my thought. So I'll have to make, if I use, all of the pages for those, I'd have to make quite a few of them, but let's just make one and see how it goes. I probably want something underneath so I don't make quite a mess. So what I did was I've got my little field note stamps here. I've got some numbers. I got the specimen collection, all the numbers. I got some I got the enclosure stamp to let you know that there's some specimens inside. And I took all the numbers out. And let's see, what have I got here? I got the figure. Is there one missing? Oh, this one. I got the number sequence and the figure sequence that I thought I would use on the side there. So, and then I've got the big round one which I made the little holder with. So let's see what we can do. I am using potting soil archival ink. So that's the ink I will be using. And I've got my acrylic, messed up little acrylic stamper holder here. So first I want to use the specimen, and I'm going to ink this up. Beautiful day today, beautiful. And use this to put right on the flap of the envelope. So that goes there. And then I saw the Agent 1929. So I thought, well, that tells us who is doing these specimens. So I put the Agent 1929 right here. And then I wanted to let people know that there are slides or whatever we put inside enclosed. So I used the enclosure and I put that right down in this corner for there. And then I wanted to number the specimen somehow. So I either use the numbers, like the specimen numbers 74, 84, 57, and 31 are in this envelope. Hope you guys are playing along with me here. So we have the numbers of the specimens here. And then we have the number, whatever number it is. So I'm using 3043 this time. Last time I used 4899. I guess this is the envelope number. I'm not sure what this number is for, but I decided to use one. And that goes on the other side. So that's there. And then I decided to punch out some cardstock. Well, actually, you know what? I think it would be easier if I do it this way. See, I was punching out the circles first and then stamping the circles, but why not just stamp? Why not just stamp it first and then punch it out? I think either way would be fine. So I'm making now the little envelope flap enclosure. Whoops, what did I do with that? Okay, I'll put that one back over there. So I'm stamping the closure like so. And then I can take my little 1.5 inch, which is probably a little bigger than I need, but that's just fine. And punch out. Punch out my little closure that goes right here. And there you have a little specimen. Let's see, ink, that's what I was looking for. There's my little closure, as easy as that. And I will go by this little line that's right here and make sure I put the glue on the bottom half. And stick this right here. Get my little wipe because I always use way too much glue. And that is how I made my little specimen holder. So I'll have to make a few of these probably, but you know, I won't bore you with making all of them on camera. So that was one thought. So I will finish these off camera. And then another thought that I had while I'm picking up, I have a bunch of these little coin holders that I had in my stash, and I also have some little dried flowers that I got, flowers and leaves and stuff that I got off Amazon. So my thought was maybe to take, now I don't know how messy this is going to be, but I'm going to give it a try. So is this still, yeah, it's still in the package. I was like, oh my. Okay. So my thought was to maybe get one of the pretty flowers out. Let's use this one. So delicate. Oh my goodness. I don't even know if I can pick it up. There we go. So I got one of the flowers. Oh my, that's not even in a, that's not, oh, I'll pick that up later. So one of the flowers, and I was going to place it right down in here, like so. And then I think I'll use a Fabri-Tac to go around the perimeter. So I don't know why this Fabri-Tac always gunks up at the, whoops, I blew my little flower. So these I thought I would make to maybe put inside the envelope as one little thing to put inside. I don't know, I might have more things than that, but I'm just going around the perimeter with the Fabri-Tac. And I probably should have bended this first, but no, that's fine. It closes. And close that right down like so. Isn't that cute, that little flower? So I'm going to hold this for just a minute until the glue takes effect. Okay, so there you have the little specimen. And let's see, maybe we could just decorate it just a little bit, give it a little bit of personality. So I'm going to take this and just use my vintage photo and just go around it a little bit. Get rid of some of that white. don't know if that's... Oh, there we go. Should I do it on the other side too? I like that. Yeah, let's do it on the other side too. Just because. Okay. Oh, that's so cute. And then I thought about maybe putting a little number right along the top or the bottom, either way. What did I do with my... So I am going to number this specimen. I think I will do it on the bottom. So let's see. For some reason, this looks like the bottom. I don't know why, but I'm going to put it right here. And there you have our little specimen, number 806. I think it says 805, 806. These are so cute. I love them. So I don't know if I want anything else on that. I think that will go with our little envelope. Don't think I need anything else unless I have the agent. Where's my agent one? I could put the agent right up here in this corner. I don't know. I think I'll try it, just see what it looks like, but I don't know if I'll do it to all of them. I just want to see what it might look like, because it's kind of a bigger stamp, because we have the agent on the I probably won't do that. I mean, it doesn't look bad. It doesn't look bad, but and then it shows that that agent did the flower and is the same. You know what I mean? Like the number on the specimen and the number on the envelope goes together, so it's like you know, you're keeping the technologist is keeping his stuff in his own envelopes. Okay, so that is one of my thoughts, was to have the specimen envelope and the specimens. Another thing that I haven't made yet is, well, I have these beautiful cards also, these botanical cards. It's got the plate number on it. I thought I would use some of those if I can find what I did with my stash of those. My little flowers are all over the place. So I have these, I guess they're mini CD envelopes. I just thought these were so cute. I saw these on Amazon. That might be glaring, so I'll show you. I saw these on Amazon and I absolutely loved them. And I thought, well, maybe we could use these for some specimens too. So maybe, I don't know, this might be too big. Maybe get something like this, or these are just some things that I dug out of my stash. That might be too big. A lot of these things are probably too big for this little That's probably too small. That might be. So anyway, I thought about maybe making something like this and putting it inside. Like so. And then have that as a larger specimen. So I might do that if I can find some things that can go inside that fits in the circle, maybe some butterflies or some bees or something. That was another thought that I had, to make a larger specimen. So basically, what I'm trying to do is just come up with some stuff to fill in the book. If you guys have any more ideas, I would love to get them in the comment section below. I am going to go and work some more and come up with some, well, I've got to make the envelopes, got to make some specimens. I didn't want to do them all online because, you know, it's just going to be a repeat process. So I'll come up with something for these little CD envelopes, and then I'll let you know what's going on with those. I got a bunch of little stuff like this out of my stash to use, so we'll go from there. I've got these envelopes too. I don't know how I'm going to use them yet, but I thought maybe I could use some of those in the book. And I think that's it for now. Like I said, I'm just going to be doing the repeat process of making little specimens and the envelopes. And in the meantime, I am going to figure out maybe how I want to put the notebook together. That's another one of my dilemmas that I have. So guys, I just wanted to pop on and show you what I've been doing. I just love this notebook, love the paper. If you guys are following along, I hope you are having fun. If you have not subscribed to my channel, please do so and hit the little bell, and future videos will come up for you. Other than that, I hope you have a wonderful, beautiful day. Sun is shining. Stay safe, stay healthy, and happy crafting to you all. Bye-bye, everybody.